This question is from NEET 2017 paper code Y, question number 140. Question is, radioactive material A has decay constant 8 lambda and material B has decay constant lambda. Initially they have same number of nuclei. After what time the ratio of the number of nuclei of the material B to that of A will be 1 by E, right? So the information that we have in this question is lambda A, the decay constant for the A. Let's say this is lambda A, that is given to us 8 lambda, and lambda B is given to us, which is lambda, right? Now in the second part of the problem, this is given that the NB has to be NA by E, and we have to find out that time in which it happens. Okay, so now if you just put all the values, then see what we are going to get. We know that this NB will be what? Let's say N naught was the initial number of nuclei, and that is same for both. So N naught e to the power minus lambda t for the B, that will be equal to N naught e to the power minus 8 lambda t by E. So from here what we can say, N naught e to the power minus lambda t will be equal to N naught e to the power minus 8 lambda t minus 1, right? If you will compare this LHS and RHS, then we get this one, means minus lambda t will be equal to minus 8 lambda t minus 1, which implies 7 lambda t will be equal to what? That is minus 1. So t is minus 1 by 7 lambda. We know that we have to take the magnitude only, so the best answer will be time is 1 by 7 lambda. Okay, so let's see which option is correct. Option C is the correct one. Okay, thank you.